Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech Helpline. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to redeem Hellofresh Gift Card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar that pops up at the top, type in www.hellofresh.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of HelloFresh. If you're logged out of your HelloFresh account, go ahead and log into it first, and from the main home page of HelloFresh, you'll be able to see an account button at the top right hand corner. If you mouse over to that, you'll be able to see a pop-up appearing on your display. Click on the gift cards button, and on the next page, you'll be able to see two options. You can either buy a gift card by clicking on Buy Gift Card, or redeem an existing gift card by clicking on Redeem Gift Card. Click on the second option that says Redeem Gift Card, and right where it says Redeem a Gift Card, simply type in your gift card number that is available at the back of your gift card in the text box. Make sure to type in your information correct, and finally click on Redeem. That is how you should be able to redeem your gift card for HelloFresh. You can use your gift card in order to redeem eligible goods purchased from the HelloFresh website. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.